In this exercise, we are supposed to look at the picture, sound out the sounds, then write the correct sounds. What's this here? It's a rib. Rib. It starts with the sound R, E, B. Rib. Okay? And what number is this? Number 10. T, 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 t. 10. 10. Okay? This is pan. P, 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 p. Pan. And this is a pear. Pen. This is a net. Net. Ta-da! We are done, children. See you. Bye.